Hello, welcome back. We have a PlayStation 3 up off eBay. You see here. Now this thing I bought for $20 for the system and $20 for shipping, so it's $40 in total. I have it in this plastic container because I'm concerned about cockroaches and stuff. Oh, side note. If you're concerned about cockroaches, when you get a system, put it into like a container and have it so you can seal it. But I want to see if this thing at least turns on. So I'm going to put the camera down for a minute. Bear with me. It didn't come with any wires or anything like that. So I got a wire already. Okay, I plugged it in. As you can see, I plugged it in. Hit the switch. Okay, so we're looking at here. Alright, so there is a light. There's a light for this thing. And you see what it has. See if we can turn this on. Okay, so apparently I do see a red light, but no. Nothing doesn't seem to turn on. Let's see what it happens if you hit eject. That's obviously shouldn't be doing that. Okay, wait a minute. That's a blue light. You said there was problems with this thing. Oh, okay, well, I didn't think this thing would turn on at all. That's actually surprising. I only spent $40 on this thing. Power button seems to be messed up. But this is not the yellow light of death. Wow, okay. So, actually kind of cool. Okay, so that's gonna be really simple to fix. Okay, I'm actually surprised. This thing is not the yellow light of death. It actually turns on. So you see the green light and the blue light? That means it would hook to a monitor, it would turn on. You know what? I see something here. Bear with me for a minute here, because I actually want to see something now. Right here. Put on my wonderful wires. Okay, I just plugged in the HDMI. Here's what's coming up. Okay, nothing really. But the blue light. I'm not sure if it's on the HDMI. But it is reading something. Something is coming up because when the monitor is on. So we gotta see what's going on here. But this is not the yellow light of death. Alright, so I'm gonna take off now and see what I can do with this thing. But as you can see, it does turn on. It's not the yellow light of death. So see you next time, and the next video I'll explain more what's going on with this thing. See you next time.